friends, welcome back to all about structural analysis and design. So we as a common citizens will be having a common dream, that is to build a dream home. We do lot of sacrifices, we make lot of efforts to achieve that dream. But when we actually start building our dream home, we make some silly mistakes which may not appear very serious at the initial stages, but will create complications in the future stages of the building. So as a civil engineer, we need to carry out the maintenance of the different organs of the building, such as wiring, plastering, plumbing, etc. I personally feel that the wiring system is the most neglected stage in the building construction, which may cost a lot. So therefore, it is very essential to select a wire so that will last long, and also it will take care of the safety of your loved ones. So through this video, I would like to make you aware of the wiring through world-class brand, that is KEI wires and cables. KEI has been India's leading brand from the last 5 decades. It was established in the year 1968 for the production of domestic wires, but through the continuous success of KEI, it has now presence in the global market, and it has become one-stop solution for all the wires and cabling requirements of domestic, power and industrial sectors, and it has presence in the 60 countries around the world. So KEI manufactures small wire of 0.5 mm square to 400 kilowatt EHV cables. KEI wires and cables have gained popularity through trust, reliability, long-lasting and affordable products, and its performance will give proper justification to its tagline, Har tension Sahe Chalti Rahe. Wiring is hidden inside the building and it will not contribute much to the external appearance of the building. But it is very important to ensure that whatever the wire goes inside the building to make your building glow very beautifully will not have any problems in the future. So selection of wrong wires will always lead to fire accidents and frequent tripping of the currents in your building. In this video, we will see 3 products of KEI. So the first will be KEI Home Cap FR, that is flame resistant product. The second product will be KEI Conflame FR LSH, that is flame retardant, low smoke and halogen. And the third product, which is their premium product, that is KEI Bandfire ZHFR, that is zero halogen flame retardant product. So one by one we will see all the 3 products. So this is the first product, that is KEI Home Cap FR. FR stands for flame retardant. KEI Home Cap FR is a multi-strand flexible wire with flame retardant properties which enables the cable to withstand overloads. So whenever there is overload in the electrical system, so this particular product will be useful. The insulation is resistant to boiling water, steam and vapors, and this prevents aging and cracking in kitchens, bathrooms, damp walls and chemical industries. So this product will be a useful product for your dream home. So this is the Home Cap FR wire. So this is 1.5 mm square wire, okay, which is normally used for your residential purposes. So here we can see it is printed on the wires, KEI cables 1.5 square mm Home Cap FR. Okay, so this will be the Home Cap FR flame retardant wire, which is perfectly suitable for your dream home wiring purposes. So next product is KEI Conflame FR LSH. FR we have already seen in Home Cap, that is flame retardant. Here we can find LSH, that is low smoke and halogen. So this is also one of the premium products of KEI. So to reduce the risk of smoke during fire accidents, KEI has Conflame, which is specially formulated flame retardant low smoke compound. During a fire situation, the FR LSH compound restricts the spread of flame. The smoke emission is also minimal in this particular product. It is shielded by a specially formulated flame retardant PVC compound, and during fire, ordinary PVC emits black smoke and toxic fumes, which are very acidic in nature. This impairs visibility and hampers rescue operations. So whenever there are fire accidents, people die because mostly due to toxic fumes. So this product prevents the toxic fumes, and also rescue operations are very easy. So KEI innovative offering Conflame is ideal for wiring solution in multi-storied buildings, hotels, hospitals, commercial establishments, and residential complexes. So this is the perfect product for commercial use. So this is your Conflame FR LSH. So I'll show you the printed name here. So you can see KEI cables Conflame FR LSH. So like this, it will be mentioned along with the IS code. So IS code is 694 for this particular material. Okay, so this is your 1.5 mm square Conflame FR LSH wire. This is their premium product, that is KEI Bandfire ZHFR Zero Halogen Flame Retardant. KEI Bandfire ZHFR is processed using a zero halogen flame retardant compound. As the name suggests, it is produced to ban the fire in the building. The insulation is of superior quality, 100% PVC free and eco-friendly material. In case of fire situation, Bandfire does not emit any toxic or poisonous fumes, which also enables safe evacuation. These are the wires which are best suited for wiring in hospitals, hotels, business establishments, and high-rise buildings where fire can be determined. So this is yellow in color. So again, I will show you the printed brand name on the wire. So you can see here it has mentioned KEI ZHFR 1.5 square mm Bandfire. Okay, so this is one more premium quality product which KEI produces, which will have the maximum safety in case of fire accidents. So me as a civil and structural engineer will recommend KEI for all your wiring requirements because of its trustworthy, long lasting and affordable products. So give yourself the promise of security and supreme quality. Bring KEI home wires and safeguard your home for life. Thank you, friends.